Hi, today I'm part of Vivo Y17 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first, just open the settings application and then you'll see here the sounds and vibration section. You should just tap on it. Here we got the mood switcher and vibration switcher, so we could activate or turn off mood, the silent mode or vibration mode. We could here switch ringtone, media notification and alarm volumes just by slide to the left or to the right side these dots on each of the volume panels. Here we got the volume buttons to adjust. We can use the volume buttons to change the ringtone or to change the medias. Here we could switch also the calls, messages, ringtones, alerts, calendars, notification sounds. We could also to activate and turn off the dial pad sounds, and to activate and turn off the touch sound, screen lock and lock sounds, screen capture sounds and messages sent sounds. So just to activate and turn off these options, we should click on each of the switchers, and we could also activate and turn off the touch feedback. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.